What's good, everybody? We're back again, day something of messing around in the new van, and had a lot of plans, but it is pouring. It is absolutely pouring and crazy windy out, so I'm just going to kind of take it easy today, and we're going to install some KilMat, so some sound deadening around the van. I picked up one package of it, so just going to get that installed today because it doesn't require me to really do anything outside. So the plan is to wipe down most of the surfaces of the van. We'll break it out of the package and just kind of stick it in some of the locations around the van. I'm thinking mostly like on the panels and stuff like this. Maybe a couple in the back door and maybe a couple along the roof. And yeah, we'll probably just go through the whole package and call it there. So hopefully it shouldn't be too crazy, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So we got some rags and just some like basic cleaner stuff. So just gonna go around and kind of wipe all the panels down, see how it goes. They don't look crazy dirty, but I mean, who knows? Better to start cleanly than go to stick the stuff on and it just kind of falls off. So So we're going to start. Here are the little pads, the little KilMat pads. They're on a little strip of paper, adhesive right there, and bought a little rolling pin to kind of help get them on there nice and tight. So we'll begin. And that's not sticking at all. Amazing. So the first one I tried did not stick like at all, and it doesn't feel very sticky. I've read the instructions and it says if it's under 60 to heat it up with a heat gun, and it's like 50 degrees out right now. So we're gonna heat it up a bit, try one more time. So I figured we'd drop you down a bit, show you how we put it on the backside there. So just gonna heat it up a little bit. I'm using a Bauer Harbor Freight heat gun, just at like level 4, using my Jackery to power it. I'm just giving it a little bit. I'm doing a little on the wall because there's a little bit of condensation developing in the van, so just to dry it off a bit. Just in case, you know. So I think this side is basically finished. So just a couple little panels and a couple on the wheel wells down there. So we will put some in the doors, but I'm not going to pop off the little covers here at the moment because I do intend on insulating it with probably Thinsulate. So I'll probably just wait till that comes and do them just at that time. But yeah, we'll maybe not tackle the roof next. Maybe we'll do the other wall. Maybe we will do the roof. Now let's do the roof. So we finished with that section. I got that side done. I got one of the roofs done. I'm gonna do this panel now and probably the rest of the roof, and we'll move on to that one. So I don't think I'm gonna put any on the floor, just because I intend on covering that up with something. So we'll see. I'm gonna have, I think, a bunch of extra, but no, probably not. I don't think I will actually, because I still gotta do the inside of the doors at some point. So. But yeah, we'll move on, continue to knock out the roof. So we made some good progress. We got half the roof done. Still got 2 more panels, but I might leave that one empty for now because I've been debating on putting a fan in. So we still got that wall to do, and 2 of the roof tiles, and then the doors and such. But I'm gonna take a little break. I've been in here for probably like an hour and 15, hour and a half, and 50 degrees outside, pouring rain, humidity, and the condensation is just getting pretty heavy in here. So I'm having to dry off every panel that I do, then heat it, and heat the actual KilMat adhesive to get it to stick. So I'm gonna let the van kind of dry out for a bit. I might come back later today to try to finish this, and if not, sometime tomorrow to finish it. So we're back. It's the next day. Did not come back out and finish this. So we're continuing on now. So it's pretty much the exact same weather. It's pouring, rainy, and kind of chilly. So we're using the heat gun again, and we're gonna try to get as much done as possible before we build up tons of condensation. So we have essentially all of the wall panels done. So we did some on the roof, all the walls along here. The panels, or the one roof panel right here at the front, I left space in the middle because I am intending on possibly putting a fan in. So if I do, it's going right there. And yeah, got those walls done too. So I was initially gonna wait on doing the inside of the door panels, but I have some insulation that's supposed to get delivered today. So I'm just gonna pull the panels off and put the KilMat in now. So we'll get to work on that. All right, so we got that all replaced. It's mounted back on solid, and KilMat is in. So we're gonna move to the final piece, I believe for the moment anyway, the sliding door. So I tested the audio, audio's working, so that's nice. Always a plus. So let's move on. So that should do it for the KilMat. So we got everything in, we got it in the panels, in the doors, on the walls, on the ceiling. And again, I don't think I'm doing any on the floor because I'm going to cover that with something. I don't know what yet. Trying to figure that out, but give you a look. We threw some right there. Couple small little pieces in there. All along there. Again, the front panel on the roof I left clear because, well, mostly clear in the middle because possibly putting a fan there. And then we got this behind me. Got some on the wheel wells. And then down a little bit in the doors here. So that should do it with that. I think the next step I'm actually going to do is the Thinsulate insulation. I'm kind of making a mess in here on the floor, so I kind of want to get as much up on the walls as I can before, you know, doing anything flooring wise. At least I think that's what we're going to do. So have some insulation supposed to be delivered today, and we'll go from there. But for now, that's the end of this video, and we'll catch you in the next one doing whatever it is that we're going to end up doing. Take care.